Biguman ang Gilas Pilipinas Women na makakuha ng panalo sa FIBA Women's World Cup 2026 pre-qualifying tournament. Tiwala si Head Coach Patrick Aquino na babaunin ng koponan ang mga natutunan nila sa unang pagkakataon na makapaglaro sa labas ng Asia. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Sa unang pagkakataon sa Philippine basketball, nakapaglaro ang ating women's basketball team sa labas ng Asia. Kaya butas ng karayom ang pinagdaanan ng Gilas Pilipinas Women sa FIBA Women's World Cup 2026 pre-qualifying tournament na nagpapatuloy sa Rwanda. Bigong makaabante ng group stage ang ating national squad matapos na mabigo kontra sa Brazil, Hungary at Senegal. Sa kabila nito, proud si Head Coach Patrick Aquino sa ipinakitang determinasyon at puso ng kanyang mga manlalaro.
So happy to hear a lot of people here in Kigali, from FIBA to the FIBA Africa and other coaches with which we played, said that they were a fan of us. It's just that the height disparities was very glaring, but the heart of the kids and the heart of the players were very much so big that they competed from start to finish.
Nagpasalamat din si Aquino sa lahat ng mga sumuporta sa kanila, lalo na ang Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas.
Yeah, nagpapasalamat ako especially to our Executive Director and Erica D and our President, Mr. Al Pandillo, who's been watching even the late hours, just to support us. And lahat-lahat ng sumusuporta from SPP and all those who supported us here in our campaign, and the prayers from our families to other families and the other supporters who's been really talagang nagsusubaybay sa amin. Thank you so much. We hope that you continue praying for us, continue supporting us, and hopefully malapit na yung gusto nating makamit na like going to the Olympics, going to the World Cup. Sana soon makuha natin.
May pagkakataon pa ang Gilas Women na makapasok sa World Cup qualifiers sa pamamagitan ng 2025 FIBA Women's Asia Cup na gaganapin sa Shenzhen, China. Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.